If your skin feels dull, congested, or uneven, peel masks can be a game changer. These masks exfoliate, remove dead skin cells, and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion in just minutes. From gentle daily peels to powerful at-home treatments, peel masks can transform your skin without expensive spa visits. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best face mask peels that effectively refine pores, improve texture, and enhance radiance. Let's explore which peel mask suits your skincare needs perfectly. Kicking off our list at number 1, T.L.C. Sukari Babyfacial. The T.L.C. Sukari Babyfacial from Drunk Elephant is a professional-grade peel mask designed to resurface and refine skin, offering a radiant glow with minimal effort. Packed with a blend of AHA and BHA acids, it provides both chemical exfoliation and pore-clearing action, making it ideal for those seeking smoother, rejuvenated skin. The mask is formulated to balance effectiveness with gentle care, reducing irritation while delivering visible results after just one use. Key features: this mask combines glycolic, tartaric, lactic, and citric acids, AHAs, with salicylic acid, BHA, to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brighten complexion. It also includes soothing ingredients like pumpkin extract and milk-derived proteins to calm skin during treatment. Its creamy consistency ensures even application, and it's suitable for all skin types except highly sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: when applied once a week, this peel dramatically improves texture, minimizes fine lines, and refines pores. Apply a thin, even layer to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Over time, skin looks healthier, more radiant, and feels smoother with improved elasticity. Usability: the Babyfacial is straightforward to use and works well in a home routine. Its creamy texture spreads easily, and the treatment time is short, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Users notice an immediate brightness post-rinse, enhancing confidence and satisfaction. Durability: this peel maintains consistent performance over time, and a single jar lasts several months when used weekly. High-quality ingredients ensure effectiveness, while the packaging preserves the formula stability, providing long-term value for consistent, radiant skin.
In the second spot, we have Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. The Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a unique rice-based powder exfoliant that activates upon contact with water to release papain, salicylic acid, and rice enzymes. This gentle peel mask is designed for daily use, offering a mild yet effective exfoliation to refine skin texture, brighten the complexion, and minimize pore congestion without irritation. Key features: it features a combination of exfoliating enzymes and salicylic acid to remove dead skin cells and clear impurities. The rice-based powder is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its microfine texture ensures gentle but thorough exfoliation without scratching or stripping the skin. Benefits and usage: use this mask daily or as needed by mixing a teaspoon with water to form a paste, applying to the face in circular motions, and rinsing after 1 minute. It brightens dull skin, smooths texture, and prevents buildup that causes breakouts. Over time, the skin feels soft, looks fresh, and maintains an even tone. Usability: its powder form allows precise control of exfoliation intensity. You can adjust the texture by varying water amount or massage duration, making it highly customizable. Quick rinse-off and gentle formula ensure it fits seamlessly into a daily skincare routine. Durability: the product's dry powder form ensures long shelf life without degradation. A single container lasts months, and its consistent enzymatic action provides reliable exfoliation for daily use, making it an excellent investment for long-term
Taking our fourth spot is Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. The Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask is a unique peel that combines chemical and enzyme exfoliation for radiant skin. Infused with pumpkin enzymes, alpha-hydroxy acids, and natural antioxidants, this mask gently dissolves dead skin cells, polishes the surface, and improves clarity while nourishing skin with vitamins and nutrients. Key features. This mask features pumpkin enzymes for gentle exfoliation, glycolic and lactic acids for chemical peeling, and vitamins A, C, and E for antioxidant protection. Its creamy gel texture ensures smooth application, and it is suitable for normal to combination skin types. The natural fruit-based enzymes enhance skin renewal while maintaining hydration. Benefits and usage. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding eyes, and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly to reveal polished, glowing skin. Regular use helps reduce dullness, smooth texture, and promote an even skin tone. The mask also helps minimize blackheads and improve overall radiance. Usability. The creamy gel spreads easily without dripping and provides a cooling sensation during application. Quick treatment time makes it suitable for weekly routines. Gentle enough for sensitive skin while effective enough to notice immediate smoothness. It's ideal for at-home spa days. Durability. The packaging preserves freshness and the active enzymes remain potent over time. A single jar lasts for multiple uses, maintaining consistent results with each application. Its high-quality ingredients ensure long-term effectiveness for continuous skin improvement.
And finally, at number 5, we have the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peel. The Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peel is a professional-grade chemical exfoliant designed for experienced users looking for dramatic skin improvement. It combines high-concentration alpha-hydroxy acids with beta-hydroxy acids to exfoliate surface skin, unclog pores, and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion with minimal irritation when used properly. Key features. The formula includes glycolic, lactic, and tartaric acids, AHAs, to exfoliate, and salicylic acid, BHA, to target congestion and blackheads. Additional soothing ingredients reduce irritation, while the high concentration ensures visible results after a single treatment. It is intended for weekly use only and requires careful application. Benefits and usage. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin for no more than 10 minutes, avoiding eyes. Rinse thoroughly and follow with sunscreen as the peel increases sun sensitivity. Regular use helps improve texture, reduce fine lines, minimize breakouts, and enhance radiance. The results are noticeable, giving skin a healthy, refined appearance. Usability. Due to its potency, the peel requires careful handling. Users must perform a patch test and follow instructions closely. Despite the strength, it's easy to apply, quick to rinse, and effective for all skin types when used correctly, delivering a professional-grade treatment at home. Durability. The serum maintains potency in airtight packaging and lasts for several months. High-quality formulation ensures that the acids remain active, providing consistent exfoliation and visible results over time, making it a long-term solution for advanced skincare routines. And there you have it, the top 5 best face mask peels to achieve smoother, brighter, and healthier skin at home. From gentle daily exfoliants to professional-strength chemical peels, these masks address dullness, clogged pores, and uneven texture efficiently. Incorporate one of these into your weekly skincare routine and enjoy radiant, refreshed skin without the spa visit. Remember to follow instructions carefully for best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare reviews.